After the rain, so the town was a huge mess. All sorts of garbage on the street. Shattered glass, big tree branches, mud, mud, mud. So yun, madaming putik, maputik talaga. And then plastic bags everywhere. All of a sudden, we see one man with a long broom all by himself. He was sweeping away the mess in the town plaza. It was Mayor Jesse. And the best part was this. When the people saw their mayor sweeping away the mess, they came out of their homes and started sweeping too. And that is the Naga Mayor.
Pero personally, material-wise, did you know all these things about Robredo in the first place? No.
What do you think is the significance of this book about Jesse Robredo and about teaching it to children?
The thing about the book that affected me the most actually was the story about him sweeping the floor, and I could see some of the kids also kind of what, he's sweeping the floor, diba? Parang I think subconsciously we're teaching them humility, and right now it's what the country needs. You know, we need more people like that, and what better way than to start with the kids when they're very young, and just teaching them what's right and what's wrong. And I think, although honestly, I didn't know much about see Jesse Robredo until I read the book. And I mean, I knew about the stuff that he was involved with now, but not when he was a mayor. So it's good to to let the kids know about people that have changed a lot just by doing what's right. If you think about it, kasi si Robredo wasn't really doing great things. He wasn't really parang
building bridges.
Yeah, he wasn't really
building a gold mine and building a theme park.
He was just a simple guy doing honest work.
What I liked was sana more government officials were like that. They lead by example rather than I built this, I built that. But how many of them you actually see sweeping streets and cleaning up their city? But if we had more government officials who led by example, sunod-sunod na yan eh. The people at the top start it, then the people under them will see it and they'll start doing it, and tuloy-tuloy na yun. The domino doesn't start at the bottom. It should start at the top.